back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I am going to give you a few minutes just to click on the button and subscribe to my video because it's free. And if you're regular, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I know I've been away for like quite some time, but we'll get into that later in another video. I don't have time for that now. Okay, so as you can tell from the by the title of the video, what am I saying? By the title of today's video, I am going to be discussing everything about my natural hair. This is the star of the show for today. So I'm going to be telling you guys about my natural hair journey. I am going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how to grow your natural hair. I'm also going to be sharing what products to use and what products not to use, what to do and what not to do to your hair. Okay, so if you want to stick around and hear what I'm going to say, if you're very interested, then please do jump onto the video and carry on watching. Okay, first of all, before we proceed with this video, I would like to apologize for shooting outside because I am tired of shooting indoors. Plus it gets so boring because we're on lockdown. Everyone in the world is on lockdown, so what a better way of shooting this video outside while we're not allowed to be outside. But anyways, so I have decided to do this video because it has been a highly requested video, because people have been asking me, what products do you use, why did you cut your hair, when did you decide to transition, why did you do it, all that jazz. So I have decided to dedicate May to the month of my natural hair. Okay, so let's speak about why did I transition from straight to relaxed. The reason why I did that was because my hair was not that healthy. Like, it was okay, like it was good, but then in terms of the strength, every time when I would comb it, when you comb your hair, it would like fall out, like there would be lots of hair that would be remaining on the comb. And then I thought, let me just decide to cut my hair. And then I decided to do it, I think it was October in no, I'm lying. Yes, it was, because I remember after that it started to grow, and then I started to do other hairstyles. So I cut it in 2018. Where did I cut it? I cut it in PE. Originally I was supposed to go to this other guy, Uben, who is well known in PE for cutting gents' hair. Like, he does the best when it comes to haircuts and things like that. So people directed me, no man, upanga kwi Texas as a summer strand and things like that. And then he's next to a blue balding of some sort. And then I decided, okay, let me go. And today, like, I was procrastinating cutting my hair. I would say, no, tomorrow I'll do it, the next week I'll do it, until it became October. So I decided, today is the day I'm going to cut my hair. So I went to go and look around for Uben. I saw the blue balding. Mind you, I saw the blue balding that everyone was telling me about, but then I did not see where this guy is. I did not see where Uben was. So I went to I asked around like any other fool in town who doesn't know anything. I asked around, and then I was even texting, because you're not allowed to have your phone outside because to come and rob you. So I decided, let me text a friend and ask, where is this guy Uben? And then they told me, but then they were taking long to respond, and I wasn't gonna wait that long. So I decided, yes, and let me just look for any person who knows how to cut hair and go and cut hair. So I went. So I saw this other lady who was standing there, and then she's like, do you want to cut hair? Do you want to do hair? I was like, yes, I'm looking for Uben. Then she was like, oh, Uben. And you know, those people, I feel like those people, they know when you're not familiar with the place, so they'll just send you to any person. I was like, yeah, I'm looking for Uben and things like that. And then she was like, oh, Uben, come this side. And she was a Ghanaian lady, or I don't know, Ghana or Zimbabwean, I don't know. And then she took me to this other, it was like, hey man, I don't know how to describe it now, but it was like some ditch, like some corner and things like that. Like this other lady, and can I tell you, it was the most disgusting place ever. Like, it was, the salon inside was dirty, like the sinks were dirty. It was like clean, but not to like the clean that I know when I go to my hair salons. It was clean, but at the same time dirty. I just decided, yes, Indoni, I'm already here, might as well just cut my hair. So this guy asked me, what do you want to do? It was like a picture from the wall, like from the frames that were there. And then and then he's like, okay, so firstly, mind you, I hadn't been combing my hair for like weeks, so my hair had lots of growth. And then and then what else? Yeah, and then he was like, first of all, let's wash your hair, and then after washing your hair, we're gonna hair dry it, and then we're gonna cut. I was like, okay, cool. So he washed my hair. Mind you, the sink was dirty. Even dark, guys, it was dirty. And then he washed my hair, and then he hair dried it, and then yeah, after that, cut my hair, and then I got this.
Pause. Firstly, I couldn't find the picture that I got immediately after I had a haircut, but this was something similar.
And then I wasn't sure at first because I didn't like it. He just cut it. He didn't do anything. And then I was like, no, use that sponge thingy so that I can get those small things. And then he used that, and then after that, I liked it. And then I went back. Yeah, sure, I was very happy. So that is the story of how I cut my hair. Now, what products do I use to manage my hair? So mind you, I've been on this natural hair journey for almost 3 years now. Yeah, it's almost 3 years. Yeah, it's 3 years. Hey, I've only been here for 3 years, but it only takes other people like 5 years to get to where I'm at. But then another thing, it's either it's in your genes or it's not in your genes, so that also plays like a huge role. And then now the very most important part of this video is what type of products do I use, or what products did I use after I transitioned. So the thing that I use is always shampoo and conditioner, but mostly your conditioner. Don't use shampoo because shampoo will take out the moisture out of your hair. So conditioner, shampoo, moisturizing butter, and your oils, which are very important because those are the things that will make sure that your hair grows. And in my next video, I am going to show you all those products and how I use them, and also how to get this hairstyle. I'm probably sure most people don't know how to get it. I'm probably sure they think I just tied up my hair. No, I did not. I'm also going to show you the protective hairstyles you can do. Just stick around. Oh, and the hashtag for all these hair videos that I'm gonna do is May Hair, since I'm dedicating this month of May into my hair. So yeah, use the hashtag May Hair, and then I will post all those pictures or videos that you sent to me If you don't follow me on Instagram, please be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because that's where I'm most active, and then I'll share those pictures with everyone else. Yeah, but that's the end of today's video. Yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, until my next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.